When I think of Louisville Independent School District, the first thing that comes to mind is opportunity. The opportunity to excel, the opportunity to face adversity, the opportunity to put yourself out there in ways that you may not have thought when you were younger.
Teachers in the LISD aren't just educating our students, they're preparing them for life.
One of the things I can say about Louisville ISD is that it did a tremendous job preparing me for after high school.
Louisville Independent School District is an all-encompassing school district in my mind. Not only is it giving my children excellent educational opportunities, it's providing a safe, comforting, loving location, which as a parent is exactly what I'm looking for.
I've been involved with lots of kids that have seen what kind of success they've had at the next level. Kids that weren't maybe in the top half of their class that have graduated University of Texas, maybe the 30% of their class, and they're now doctors. It's just incredible how this district prepares kids.